Somebody that I did admission for this year just got a visa from the Polish embassy in Nigeria. And the reason why he got a visa, I believe, is that this university played a huge role in him getting that visa. Okay. Hence, I'm asking you to apply to this university. All right, in case you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Breno, and I'm changing lives. I'm based in Poland. I am an entrepreneur. I am a travel enthusiast. I've made a lot of videos on my channel already regarding how you can move to diverse countries. I've been to several countries around the world, and I have the necessary experience to help you to make an informed decision. All right. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, okay, ensure that you stay glued to this channel by subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop content. All right. And also, please click on the thumbs up to support this video. All right. Okay, without wasting your time, let's get into the reason why I said you should apply to this university. So the reason why I said you should apply to this university is that I believe you can have a high chance of getting a visa. Now look at one of the messages that the school sent, because I've been in touch with the school, regarding this student. And first reason is that this school is very communicative. Well, like one of the schools I know in Poland, before they even reply your text or your message, I mean, before they reply to your email, wow, it can take a long time. And sometimes maybe they might not even reply, or you might be calling this particular school, they might not even pick your call. So this university is, they are very effective in communication. And look at what they said, in one of the messages. Thank you. We are in touch with the Polish embassy. We will inform you if we get any feedback. Please do the same if you get any piece of information regarding your visa. So basically, this school actually, like, they contacted the embassy. Basically, they sent the information they needed to send to the embassy. It's very rare to find a school that would even disclose this information, like, or even do this to you. I mean, do this for you. It's very rare to find this kind of university. So hence, I'm asking you to apply to this university. All right. The name of the university is University of Information Technology and Management in Rzeszów, Poland. All right. So if you want to find this university, just come on Google and type University of Information Technology and Management in Rzeszów, okay, Poland. Then it will bring you to this place. Then you can just click on the website and you can go there and check out their courses, check out the programs. And so you can see that it's in Polish now. All you need to do is to come here, just come to this place, this arrow, click on it and change it to English, click on English, EN. Then you can see now that it is changing to English. All right. So now you can navigate the website and look at the bachelor's degree programs. They have foundation year program, they have bachelor degree programs. So they have computer science, they have international business management, they have social work, nursing, they have programming, aviation, they have game design and development. Then let's look at the master's degree programs. Let's look at the master degree programs. Okay, so for the master degree programs, they have for this year, okay, what is open is international business management. There was this cybersecurity, but because of lack of enough students, so this is what they have for this year. And I think that admission is still ongoing. So you even have a chance to apply to this university now. All right. So if you want to apply to this university, you just need to click on apply, okay, and you just follow the steps and apply to the university. So these are the steps. First step one, check the requirements. If you then online registration, then that is here. You click on get register. Then step three, select a program. Then offer letter. Then make payment. Then acceptance letter. All right. So so in as much as this university helps to help you to get the visa, like they contact the embassy to inform them that you got admission here, send whatever thing they need to send to the embassy. They are offering accommodation document. So basically, after you've paid your school fees, right, and you've paid other all the fees that you need to pay, So they will now send you the real acceptance letter for visa, right? So and when they're sending you this letter, they will include accommodation documents. So basically, you also need to inform them when you are applying that you need accommodation documents so that they will send it along with the main admission document, right? And there are some schools that you can apply in Poland that won't give you this document. This is one of the reasons why I said you should apply to this university, because once you've paid your school fees and other fees that you need to pay, they will give you this document for free. You don't need to pay for it. All right. So when you come to Poland, then you now decide if you want to stay in their accommodation or their hostel, then you will now pay. Okay, because there are some schools that doesn't have this. They don't pay. I mean, they won't give you this document. Sometimes it's because either the dormitory is already filled up and they don't have space any longer, or they don't have dormitories at all. So that means that you will need to go online and now start booking for a hostel in Poland, which might be very expensive for you. Just imagine you've not gotten a visa yet, and you've already started paying money for reservation or money for agency, you know. But if you apply to this particular university, you get this document for free. And there are also other universities that you can apply and they'll give you this document for free after paying the school fees. And I'm going to be doing this in my next video. All right. I'm going to be making a list of universities that or I'm going to be showing you a list of universities that I think you should apply to in Poland based on my experience that I've applied that I've applied for clients and they gave this document applied to those universities. But for now, this is the video I wanted you to see. And as you can see, that admission is currently on. So ensure that you apply to this university right now, okay? Stop whatever thing you're doing, focus on this university because I believe they are helping, regarding the visa stuff. They are helping to contact the embassy. Some schools will not do that for you. All right, you see recruitment ongoing. So if you want me to do your admission for you, all you need to do is to come below this video, right? So please, after you've clicked on the like button, please just the thumb up to support me, to support this video. Then you come here and click on, you see this place, let us handle your university admission abroad, okay? Book here, okay? To let us handle your university admission abroad, book here. So click on this place and book, all right? And after you've done that, take a screenshot and contact me in any of my social media handle. I prefer contacting me through Instagram or Facebook or email, but email, I might not get your message right away because it might go to the spam folder. That's why I prefer Instagram, all right? Then also, if you want to talk to me one-on-one, right? Then you can apply. I mean, you can book here, and after you've done the needful, take a screenshot and send it to me. And if you want me to handle your CV, do the same here. Take a screenshot and send it to me, and I will do that for you. All right. And one of the reasons why this guy also got a visa, I feel like this guy got a visa is because he paid 1 year school fees. So paying 1 year school fees can boost your chance of getting visa, can increase your chances of getting a visa. All right. So these are the factors I wanted to share with you so that you know what to do. Okay. If you really want to get a visa, I don't know if you've seen this video, the truth about high visa, high police visa rejection and appointment problems. There've been problems since COVID times and the war and the stuff. There've been problems regarding getting a Polish visa. In fact, the appointment is something else. But in this video, I revealed the truth behind these problems. And if you haven't seen that video, please, after watching this video, come and click on this video. I mean, go to my channel, all right, and just come here and click on it and watch the video. And you can also watch other videos, other content on my channel, like being black in Poland, different content. I've made different videos even about the cost of living in Poland and other information. All right. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Okay. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video, and if you haven't subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop content. All right. So guys, don't get me wrong. I believe that God helped this guy to get this visa, but God works with people, and and this school is one of those kind of people that they are reliable, to kind of help in getting the visa, like in terms of communicating with the embassy. Okay, so this is my point. All right. Okay, and I want to put a disclaimer on this video that the information contained in this video does not constitute as a professional advice, nor from a registered agent. It is intended to assist those who intend to do it by themselves and does not substitute for your personal research. So make sure you make your own research. Okay, but I'm telling you this based on my own experience and based on what I believe in. All right. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching till I come your way again. Have a great time. See you in my next video.